Hey, what's up? Once again, it's your man Big John, John Restoration. Got a Lexus LS430. It came in with a few scrapes and scratches on it, so the customer wanted to freshen up the paint. So we repainted the entire vehicle. As y'all can see, it's got the wet look. Went back to factory color. But one thing about this one that separates this one from all the other LS430s is the hood. Customer is a die-hard Dallas Cowboy fan and wanted the helmet airbrushed ghostly on the hood. That is all paint. Shout out to one of my airbrush artists, Chad, for doing his thing on this one. A lot of people would say, why would you airbrush a Dallas Cowboy helmet on a Lexus? But to each his own. And as you can see, it's very subtle. It's not something that jumps out at you. He wanted it ghost in so that it wouldn't be that vibrant. It wouldn't take over the vehicle. For those of y'all that don't know, we do insurance claims, collision repair, upholstery, rims, tires, stereos, paint jobs, airbrushing, factory. We can either get outrageous with your vehicle, or we can put it back to factory specs, whatever you choose, inside and out. So this is another one that was done at John's Restoration. Virginia Beach, Virginia. 757-713-2277. Give us a call if we can assist you with anything as far as your vehicle. And this proves right here, anything you want airbrush, any kind of vehicle or whatever you have, it can be done. Dallas Cowboy helmet, ghost in, on the Lexus LS430. Like I said, this is your man Big John with John's Restoration. Give me a call. Let me know if I can assist you in any way. 757-713-2277.